In this video, we will learn how to add student registration by importing student details from Excel file. So, to bulk import students to register, we go to Records, then in Students Registration, click Bulk Student Entry. In this window, click Open Excel File button, browse for, and select the Excel file, and click Open. All the sheets in the Excel file will be shown in the Tables Available list. Now, before proceeding, let's take a look at the fields of the Excel file. So, here's our Excel file. As you can see, we have named the sheets as per our class names and entered the students as per their class. That is, each sheet has the students of that class only. And if the registration number is not unique, the record will not be saved. Also, fields like the fee category, gender, religion, blood group, caste, medium, house, and bus stop must be exactly same as in the software. Now, let's go back to the bulk import of students. Click on a sheet you want to import, say class 5. All the field names in this sheet will get populated in the Fields Available list. Now, click the right arrow to populate the names in selected fields to display. Here, you should verify that the existing fields on the right exactly matches the order of the fields you added. That is, the left and right fields align with each other. If not, use the up and down button to align them. Suppose the gender field is not aligned, so, by clicking the up or down button we can align the gender field. If you had used the Excel sheet provided with the software, then it will be already aligned, so you can skip this step. Now, click on the display button on the top. This will populate all the records in this sheet. Then, click the Admit to Class button and select the class the students are to be admitted and click the Save button. This will import all the students to the Oracle database. However, if there is any mismatch of fields like fee category, gender, religion, blood group, caste, medium, house, and bus stop, then that record will not be saved and will be marked in green color text. Also, if the registration number matches an existing record, it will be overwritten and that record will be marked in red color. So, following this method, you can import all the students class-wise. However, the student pictures need to be added individually, either from webcam or file. With this, we come to the end of this bulk student import video tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.